Hello YouTube, Engineer Boy 100 here. Just another quick video to show people how you can raise your Porsche up if it's too low so that you can jack it up. And I'm going to show you underneath where you can lift the back of the vehicle up without jacking the car up with the engine. Not a good idea to jack up the engine. You can ruin the motor mounts. So I used basically a 2x10 inch piece of wood and a little basically a 1x2 as a stopper, as you can see right here on the front end. And then I just drive up on them, put them out of there, position the vehicle, and then I jack them up. My floor jack here, and as you can see, it raises the vehicle up 1.5 inches. The total height, including the stop, is 3.25 inches, and the length is about 24 inches, about 2 feet long, total length. And it works absolutely phenomenally. So next shot, I'll show you where I lift the vehicle underneath. It's a cross member, and from my experience, it's been perfectly safe to lift from that location. Just want to point out that always use wheel chucks when you lift up a car. Just want to show you how the wheel chucks. We're getting ready to go underneath, so we've got jack stands here. Never get under a vehicle that's being held up just by a jack. Okay, so let's go ahead, take a peek underneath, and look at the cross member location. It's right here. It's a very strong frame member, and I've lifted many different cars on the cross member, and this is a very sturdy location. So there you have it. How to lift up the back of your Porsche without lifting on the engine and risking destroying your motor mounts. Thanks for watching.